Hi, Mitch here, a retired pharmacist, back with another video. I decided to do a video on antioxidants, their history, concept, explanation, and benefits. This video may enlighten you or bore you to death. I hope it enlightens you as it did me. Starting with its history, Dr. Denham Harmon started the antioxidant concept in 1956. In 1972, he realized the mitochondria of each cell produce energy, which produced billions of damaging free radicals. The problem is we have billions of mitochondria, and it appears almost impossible to neutralize all the free radicals with antioxidants. This concept of neutralizing free radicals is an attempt to live healthier by applying the theory of antioxidants. This simply means we are going to eat food and take antioxidant supplements that have a high Auric value. Auric stands for oxygen radical absorption capacity. Okay, this simply means foods that have the ability to neutralize free radicals in the body. So at this point, if you're still listening, you are wondering why free radicals are so damaging. The cells of the body are composed of molecules composed of atoms. Atoms that have a full outer shell of electrons are said to be stable, not causing damage. If an atom loses an electron, it will seek out electrons from other atoms and bond to the outer shell of these electrons. This causes free radicals to be formed. Free radicals are unstable and quick to react with other molecules, causing a disruption of your cells, leading to chronic inflammation, autoimmune diseases, diseases in general, and cancer. Examples of producers of free radicals are as follows: pollution, overexposure to the sun, drugs, radiation, smoking, herbicides, alcohol, trans and hydrogenated fats, preservatives, chemicals in foods, stress, and high carbohydrate junk food. Notice I did not include monounsaturated fats and saturated fats. Free radicals upset the balance of white blood cells and how they work to defend us from disease. Antioxidants or high Auric value foods, again oxygen radical absorption capacity, work to our benefit by donating their electrons to the free radical and stabilizing the atom molecule cell, thereby decreasing disease and cancer. Also, the nucleus of our cells contains a protein called NRF2 that is stimulated by antioxidants to decrease free radicals. Also, luckily, we have other antioxidants like glutathione, coenzyme Q10, superoxide desmutase, and glutathione peroxidase to decrease free radicals. Now I'm going to give you a partial list of antioxidant supplements to help prevent disease and cancer, chronic inflammation, and a weak immune system. The list is as follows: Pycnogenol, again Pycnogenol, resveratrol, again resveratrol, CoQ10, alpha-lipoic acid, turmeric, luteolin, quercetin, which I'm going to talk about later, which is now being used to help prevent COVID, and treat COVID in combination with vitamin C. Lutein, berberine, giaoculin, again giaoculin. Omega-3, L-arginine plus. This L-arginine plus is being used more for opening the blood vessels for circulation and heart health. Also, vitamin C, D, and the mineral zinc help again to prevent viruses such as COVID from breaking the cell wall and causing the flu or the COVID disease. Later, I will do another video to explain the benefits of some of these antioxidants. Now, for a partial list of antioxidant foods with high Auric value. Again, oxygen radical absorption capacity. The list is as follows: broccoli, that has sulforaphane in it, which is excellent to prevent cancer. Spinach, carrots, artichokes, asparagus, avocados, beetroot, radishes, lettuce, sweet potatoes, squash, pumpkin, collard greens, kale, red beans, blueberries, cranberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, red kidney beans, red delicious apples, Granny Smith apples, Gala apples, pecans, cherries, black beans, plums, and dark leafy greens. I don't know if you realize how many diseases are caused by excess free radicals. When you visit the doctor and he tells you you have an autoimmune disease, most of the time this disease cannot be cured and only treated with symptomatic medications. These diseases are caused many times by our own body's attacking itself. If curious, these diseases, you can search on the internet for autoimmune diseases to get more understanding of the origin and the very long list of them. This is all I have for today, but please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Mitch, the retired pharmacist, signing out.